Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an admin on your Facebook page. Some provide full guide, please don't skip my video. So simply at first open your Facebook. So this is my Facebook account. At first you need to switch your Facebook page. So like I'm select a page. So this is my Facebook page. So I'm just add an admin in this page. Press on to 3 line and you get settings and privacy option. Click on and go to settings. This method will work on Android and iOS in the same process. Scroll down, you get page setup option showing it to page access. Okay, and click on to add new. Press on next and you just search here your access owner name, select account, and okay, if you want to allow this person to also have full control, or make sure to turn up, click on to give access and enter your Facebook profile password. Click on to confirm. Okay, and you just enter the verification code and press on to confirm, and I'm receive the invitation notification in this account. Just press on to accept, then successfully add admin in this page.